morning, student. We have read the story, The Foolish Son-in-law, in 4 parts, and now we will read the follow-up lesson of that chapter, The Foolish Son-in-law. And here we will read about another son-in-law. And here the story is on bamboo quarry. You know, this is bamboo, this is a piece of bamboo. You know bamboo, you use bamboo in making our house. But how curry can be prepared from bamboo? Here in the story, we will read about bamboo curry. Here also the story based on a foolish son-in-law. Let me read the story. Please listen carefully. Once a foolish Santal son-in-law went to his in-law place. His mother-in-law cooked delicious dishes for her son-in-law. One of the dishes was a curry made out of bamboo shoot. The son-in-law liked it very much and asked his mother-in-law, "Mother, the curry is extremely delicious. What is the curry made from?" Instead of answering his question, she pointed at the bamboo door. The son-in-law asked, "Is it from bamboo?" "Yes, son, the curry is made from bamboo and is therefore called bamboo curry." Next day, the son-in-law was about to leave from his home. The bamboo curry came to his mind. He thought of cooking bamboo curry at home, but they did not have bamboo, so he carried home the bamboo door of his in-law house. Reaching home, he asked his wife to prepare bamboo curry. He helped his wife in chopping the dry bamboo stick, but the dry bamboo pieces did not get boiled. The pieces remained as hard as tough as before. He asked his wife to put more water and boil. That evening, his in-law came to their son-in-law's house. The son-in-law offered them the bamboo curry. The in-law laughed at their foolish son-in-law. They told him the bamboo curry is made from soft bamboo shoot and not from dry bamboo pieces. Okay, now you will try to read the story, and now let me explain you the story in detail. Once means hurry. Once a Santal son-in-law. Santal is a scheduled tribe. They usually live in jungle. It is a tribe, Santal tribe. Okay, a Santal son-in-law went to his in-law house. He also went to his in-law house, like the son-in-law of our story we have read earlier. His mother-in-law cooked delicious dishes. Delicious. What do you mean by delicious? Delicious means very tasty. Delicious means very tasty. His mother-in-law cooked very delicious dishes. Dishes means different items. Dishes. Here this means plate, but here dishes means items. Because items are different items cooked in our home are served in dishes. That's why it is called dishes. So dishes a dishes very. One of the dishes was made from bamboo shoot. This is a dry bamboo stick. But when we see the bamboo tree, long bamboo tree, we may have bunch of bamboo tree. Here we find small shoot, bamboo shoot. Bamboo shoot a curry was a item was made. We called it in our local language curdy. Curdy. Have you seen curdy? 5 pieces of bamboo. On this cement was made out of bamboo. Made out of. This son-in-law liked it very much and asked his mother-in-law. The taste of the bamboo curry was very delicious, so he asked his mother-in-law, the curry is extremely delicious. Delicious means very tasty. Extremely. Extremely, extremely very much. Extremely means very much. So much. We say also so much. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत delicious, बहुत tasty लागू चीज़. Instead of answering, here is a word instead of. I went to market instead of going to post office. Post office जाने तो काम बंदूक में ताप परिवर्तन करें market. Instead of परिवर्तन, बदलने. परिवर्तन. So instead of answering the question, the answer was she, what her mother-in-law did, she pointed at the bamboo door. There is a bamboo door. Pointed at the bamboo door. Here is a bamboo door. See the picture. There is a bamboo door, and mother pointed at the bamboo door. So this one got the indication that it is made from bamboo. He asked his mother-in-law. Yes, son. This curry is made from bamboo, and therefore it is called bamboo curry. Next day, what happened? When the son-in-law was about to leave for his home, the thought about the bamboo curry came to his mind, and he also wanted to make such curry in his own home, but there was no bamboo available in at their place. So, what the foolish son-in-law did, he took the bamboo door without the notice of his in-laws. He took the bamboo door on his head and went to his house. When he reached his house, he asked his wife to make curry out of this bamboo. He also helped his wife by cutting the bamboo stick and chopping it. Chop means cutting to small pieces. Cutting into small pieces. Equal chop. So he asked him to cook the bamboo. They put water, boil and butter. Will the hard bamboo stick, chopped bamboo stick get dissolved or boil in water? No, not at all. It remains as hard as it was earlier. And by chance, the in-laws also visited their son-in-law house on that day, and they were being served the bamboo curry, which was made out of the chopped sticks of bamboo, which were brought out from the bamboo door. The son-in-law brought from the in-law house, say, bamboo tati, tomato, bamboo, kadi, तरकारी करथिले जेते सिजाइले जेते पानी देबी हला नै ता समीला ता आगु आहुरी पानी दे आहुरी बॉईल कर जहा कल में हला नै और जेते ता in-law members of in-law came visited their house they being offered the bamboo curry sanko bamboo curry जागला एवं सने देखिले जे the bamboo curry made out of hard dry hard sticks. It is not bamboo curry as the bamboo curry made at their home from the soft bamboo shoot. They told the son-in-law how foolish he is, and they also told him the bamboo curry is made from soft bamboo shoot. Soft, and the opposite is hard. And this is hard. But the bamboo curry which was made used for curry is soft, very soft. You know, soft sponge is very soft, but the stick is very hard. So they are not very hard bamboo, not very hard, but of soft bamboo shoot. Shoot means gajja. गछरे जो आरंभ हुए तो कहो shoot. So if the shoot are taken out from the ground, bamboo shoot, soft bamboo shoot, and that were being made bamboo curry, not like this. So this is all about police Santal son-in-law, how he misunderstood the bamboo curry. And now let me ask you some question. Who went to his father-in-law house? The Santal son-in-law went to his father-in-law house. What curry did his desk? What? How we feel this? What curry did he? What curry did his mother-in-law cook? Did he like it? Yes, he liked it. Why did he carry the bamboo dog? Complete the bamboo dog. Who did he ask? Who did he ask for bamboo curry? He helped the wife. How did he help him? How did he help her? Her wife help her, his wife. When the bamboo did not boil, what did he ask his wife to do? When the bamboo did not boil, he asked his wife to put more water and boil. Who came to his house? Who came to his house? The in-law came to his house. Where from the in-law? They are from the okay. So once again read the story and do write this part of the question from your book, page 48, and fill this blank. Okay. Thank you.